Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to rearrange photos in Google Photos album. You have to start by open Google Photos application, then quick check for if you use your correct account, you can switch between them or you can add your another account. After that move to collections and then select the album, what you want to rearrange. Let's say this one. After that, on Android and on iOS is the same. You need to click at this pencil icon at the bottom. And now press and hold at the photo and you can change position of this photo. So let's say I wanna move this photo like the first one, then I wanna this photo, then this one, and finally the fourth one. And I just did it, so just make the best one for you, and after that click at the check mark at the left top, and that's it, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!